Hello, today I will be talking about measuring body composition. What is body composition? Body composition is the relative percentage of fat and fat-free mass our bodies contain. In this video, I will be going over how to measure body composition using skin fold testing. Skin fold testing measures the amount of subcutaneous fat that is proportional to our total amount of body fat. The amount of subcutaneous fat will vary based on gender, race, and age. There are 7 skin fold sites we will be going over today. They are the same for both men and women. For this video, we will need to use skin calipers to measure skin fold. There are a variety of skin calipers that can be used. When taking skin fold, accuracy will depend on the calibration of the skin calipers and the experience of the person taking the skin fold measurements. There is an estimated standard error. For males, it is about 3.5%, and for females, it is about 3.8%. Here are a few procedures we need to follow. All measurements must be taken on the right side of the body with the subject standing upright and relaxed. Pinch the skin halfway between the crest and the base of the fold. Place the calipers on the skin surface about 1 centimeter away from your thumb and finger, perpendicular to the pinch. Hold the pinch for 1 to 2 seconds before reading the caliper. Rotating through the different sites, each one will be measured twice. If your measurements are more than 1 to 2 millimeters off, you will need to remeasure again. Here are the 2 types of folds we will be looking at today: a vertical fold and a diagonal fold. These will be helpful when measuring skin fold. The first site we will be looking at is the tricep. This fold is a vertical fold found on the posterior or back portion of the upper arm. You will locate the acromion process of the elbow and the olecranon process of the clavicle bone and meet them in the middle. You want to pinch the skin and shake away the muscle because measuring muscle will increase your error measurement. Remember, hold your measurements for 1 to 2 seconds and get your reading. Next is the subscapular site. This is a diagonal fold 1 to 2 centimeters below the inferior angle of the scapula. This measurement can be tricky to find, so have your client put their arm behind their back to more easily find the inferior angle of the scapula. Once you have found the inferior angle, lightly pinch the skin and take your measurement. Chest pectoral skin fold site. This fold is a diagonal fold. For women, you will measure 1/3 the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple, and for men, you will only measure 1/2 the distance. This is the only site that will have a major difference between men and women. Mid-axillary skin fold site. This fold is a vertical fold. Follow the mid-axillary line down to the level of the xiphoid process of the sternum. Take the skin, pinch, and record your measurement. Suprailiac skin fold site. This is a diagonal fold. Find the natural angle of the iliac crest. You will take your measurement just above the iliac crest in line with the anterior axillary angle. Remember to shake the muscle away from the skin to ensure an accurate reading. Abdominal skin fold site. This is a vertical fold. Measure about 2 centimeters away from the umbilicus, also known as your belly button. Pinch the skin, shake away the muscle, and make sure to hold the pinch for 1 to 2 seconds. Thigh skin fold site. This is a vertical fold halfway between the proximal border of the patella and the inguinal crease of your hip. When measuring the thigh, it might take a couple of tries to get the skin without any muscle. Remember to shake away the muscle before obtaining a reading. Make sure to repeat all these skin fold sites twice. Now let's look at some equations that will help you calculate body density and percent body fat. In this first equation, this is where you will plug in the sum of the 7 skin fold sites along with your client's age to obtain their body density. You will do the same for women with this equation. Using the Brozak and Siri equations, you will plug in your client's body density to calculate the percent body fat. These equations should yield similar answers. I hope this video is helpful when you need to measure skin fold.